It was the 25th of the month. I opened my banking app, and my heart sank. 4N500 balance. So where did all the money go? I felt like I was being robbed, so I decided to launch an investigation. For the last 30 days,
I tracked every single naira that left privatization, from the rent down to the N50 sachet water. And what I found was not what I expected.
but when I logged those big expenses, I still had a missing gap of about $80,000 that I couldn't account for. It wasn't the bills or the food stuff for the house. By day 15, I was getting frustrated. I was tracking everything, but I still felt like there was a hole in my pocket. I almost stopped tracking because it was depressing. Then, on day 28, I sorted my spreadsheet by frequency instead of amount. And there it was. I wasn't losing money in chunks of 50,000. I realized I was buying mobile data in small bits. But when I added up the small data buys, I had spent $35,000 on data in 1 month. That's more than the monthly plan.
It wasn't just the subscriptions, it was the convenience tax, the ATM fees, $3 or $4 every time I grabbed cash from a random machine.
The verdict? The invisible leak was microspending. These small swipes feel painless when you tap your card, but together they cost me nearly $400. That's a car payment for some people. This month, I changed strategy. I meal prepped on Sundays, I stuck to my bank's ATMs, I audited my subscriptions. The result? I have $400 left over today. If you think you're broke, do me a favor, open your banking app and count how many times you tapped your card for $5 or $10 this month. Let me know in the comments, what is your biggest money leak?